As the country prepares for Eid ul-Adha, sale of advance train ticket has started from today to facilitate homebound travelers. Tickets for June 6 are now available. Advance sale of a ticket under Bangladesh Railway for Western Zone began at 8 a.m. In just first 30 minutes, the railway's online portal received an astonishing 114 million hits for only 16,300 available seats in the Western region. From 2 p.m. today onwards, tickets for Eastern Zone will be available for sale. These 843 intercity trains will operate from Dhaka to various destinations across the country. To manage the massive passenger flow and ensure safety, a 3-tier security system will be placed in Kamlapur railway station starting from May 31.
নগদ পেমেন্টে 500 টাকা পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক আর লেনদেনে প্রতিদিন ডিপ ফ্রিজ এবং ঘন্টায় ঘন্টায় এসি টিভি সহ দারুণ সব গিফট।